Okay, as you can see, I have this small account here. My account is $8 and I have one running trade, but I want to open another trade on volatility 1/5 1s. As you can see, let me start on a bigger time frame. So I wanna enter a sell. So I'll just put the minimum. Let me go for 5. Okay, 5 is the minimum here, but it's too small sometimes. Wanna enter at least 15 will be fine. Okay, so why did I end I sell on this trade? So you can see this is a very big downtrend ever. It has been going down forever. You can see since the start of these indices, it has been going down. So I'm not looking for any reversal soon because it's too much on a downtrend. Okay, but as you can see for now we are on a 4-hour time frame, and for our time frame, if you can just use the very first thing that we learned on a forex, if you are not using smart money concept, if you are using that if you are using this uh, if you're using this strategy of drawing trend lines and everything, so you can see the market is on a really downtrend, and you can see it was just retesting, somewhere here, then it has to pull back, continuing with the downtrend. Okay, let's look on 1 hour. As you can see on 1 hour, it's forming a channel which is going up. It was forming a channel here. You can see this is a channel that was formed here. Let's try using line chart, because line chart will give you a clear picture of what is happening. So you can see this is a channel. It's like forming a channel, but it's like too choppy, man. But you have to understand, if you trade this thing for some days, you obviously understand how it works. So after seeing this channel, I know this channel is just pulling back to the trend line. They just check the trend line again. Okay, you can see our trend line is right here. So the channel was just pulling back to this trend line here. Then the market has to go back down as the trend says. So let's look on quite smaller time frame. You can see the channel. So we expect the market to break that channel. Once the market break that channel, then we can look for sell setups. So something was decisive here on. Let me switch back to the candlesticks. Let me just switch back to the candlesticks here. And as you can see, it's like the market is trying to move up from here. It's trying to move up, and people will be going for these buys because they think the market is moving up. But this is how it has been playing the game. This is how it has been playing the game. It's trying to fool people. As you can see, this is the market closing. Let me just this is the market closing these lower lows, but it didn't close above this one to make a high, so it make another lower low. So this market will not go anymore there. So the market has to go down. So simply, as long as the market firstly made a lower low here, then the last lower high is here, and now it's trending here, making another lower low, and doesn't go above making a lower high here to go on an uptrend. So the market is still on a downtrend. So there's no way I'm gonna buy that market, so I'm just selling it. So I go with the trend, because always going with the trend is actually beautiful. And they have these problems of the patterns. You can see on a 5-minute time frame, you can see a downtrend, how it gets. People will be looking for a reversal. Okay, if you trade these cup and handle things, you'll be looking for a buy here. Okay, but these people are smarter than that. They know exactly those things we do, so they don't want to go for that. Let's look if you can get a sell. Our stop loss will be obviously somewhere here. Our stop loss will just be placed somewhere here. And let me look on smaller time frame. You can see this 1 minute, and 1 minute looks like that, and our take profit will be below here. This is our channel, just below our channel here, which is 24,222. Okay, just look for 24,222. This is our, okay, I just forgot our stop loss. Our stop loss should be somewhere here, not really big. Let's just put it above this high here, no, this one here, which is 25.35.9. 25.35.9. That's our stop loss. And our take profit obviously is going to be down. Let me just go a bigger time frame. So our take profit will be down here on the 24.30.388. 24.30.88. Just 24.30.88. 24.30.88. That will be our take profit. Okay, let me just finish up with these settings. So it will be easy for us. This is 24.388 is our take profit, and let's see if you can achieve anything here. So I also have this 75 running with a smaller lot size. You know, this one I caught a reversal. As you can see, 75 is actually on a downtrend. It's absolutely a downtrend, but right here on a 4-hour, I've seen something like this. I've seen this rejection of this candlestick here. Okay, it's a big rejection ever, but I have to look for something here on a small time frame. And as you can see on a small time frame, and this is 1 hour, it looks like this. I don't know how to explain this, but for me it looks beautiful. Okay, then I go on this time frame, which is actually a 30-minute time frame, but I really don't see anything good. So but when I came to 15, I was like, yeah, it's looking good for me. Like, it's looking good for me. Firstly, it pulled down, it's pulled down, forming a lower low. Then here, this was a lower high. Then here's to pull down, forming a lower low. Then somewhere here it has to go up somewhere here with a very great momentum. And when I've seen that great momentum, I was looking for what gonna happen if this resistance, if this support keep holding, because there is a really great support here. It's a really great support down here. If this support could hold this market and can push it up a little bit up, then I might take a buy on this one. And you know what I did? I wait for this candlestick for this one. Let me just zoom in. I wait for this candlestick to complete this one. I wait for it to complete. Then at the open of this one, I was looking at 1 minute. So at 1 minute, I seen things getting better. Okay, so what I've seen first, I've seen this market moving up with those candlesticks, and then it start making high highs and high high. This is high high. This is lower high, and this is lower high. You can see the market is moving an uptrend. The market is on a smaller uptrend. So I decided to take a buy from there, but then the buy was just doing great. So after that, my stop loss was down here. But after I got in profit, so I gotta move my stop loss into profit and see what's gonna happen in few minutes. As you can see, the market is still around here, trying to pull back to its downtrend. But if it goes up, I'm still fine. It goes down, I'm still fine. I got the trade running. So as you can see, our trade here is running fine. You can see this is how the market is being manipulated. So they want us to believe these few patterns that we see out there. So there's something that you have to click. If you start believing those few patterns that you find out there on volatilities, volatility will actually kick you. because they know exactly how we think, and they're gonna do the opposite of what we think about. So it's actually not easy, guys. It's not easy. As you can see, the account is almost at $12. That's a big growth ever. So I'm just hoping you guys find this video useful, and if you want me to make more video on me trading live, guys, just give this video a thumb up and also subscribe, and hopefully let me know on the comment section so I can make more videos or anything that you are requesting. Thank you guys for watching. On an update, as you can see, on an update, we are running we are almost at 15 right now, just because it's making huge candlestick, this momentum candlesticks that shows the direction of the market is still running down and fast. So you can see in just few minutes, guys, of recording this video, we managed to grow our account from 8 to at least 14 or something. So that's great, guys. That's great. As you can see, I also moved my stop loss into profits, but we are making great moves right here. So let me just try closing one position. You don't need to be greedy. If you close one position, you'll be fine. I'll just close one position, then we can hold one to TP, and also make sure that your stop loss is in break even or in profit, so you won't regret it later. So for 75, we are still fine. As long as our profit is in our stop loss is in profit, we are still fine. But you can see a reversal here. As long as the market didn't close below this one, we are still fine. But anyways, we are growing our account, and see you again on the next video. Make sure that you comment and subscribe.